Park's barbecue. Korean culinary culture is insanely diverse, celebrating everything from dumplings and kimchi to fried chicken and albap, seasoned rice with a variety of fish roe. A good place to start your edible education is Korean barbecue, an interactive dining experience that requires tabletop grills, scissors and tongs. Begin with a bottle of soju, a Korean rice alcohol, or beer. After you order your meats, a buffet of small side dishes called banchan will be brought to the table along with rice. These vary by establishment but usually include kimchi, spicy sauces, pickled veggies, and even potato salad. You can nibble on the banchan but try to hold off until the main course arrives. Then comes the carnivore's dream portion of the meal where marbled beef, seasoned pork belly, marinated chicken and various fish are wheeled out and set before you to sizzle on the grill. There are probably 100 delicious smelling rooms serving sizzling steaks at all price points. But since you never forget your first, make a reservation at Park's Barbecue. It has been pulling in K-pop superstars, the Hollywood elite and Galbi, beef short rib, devotees since 2003 when it was opened by soul transplant/chef Janae Kim. Bonus points for supporting a woman-owned business.